In this video, we will show you how to replace your front upper grille on this Toyota Sienna. This will be mounted along the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way across the front of your upper grille here. You're going to find that you have several push clips to remove. To remove these, you want to use a trim tool or small prying device. Gently pull up on the center to unlock it, and then you can fully remove it by removing the outer portion as well. We'll repeat this process all the way across. Now there are several locking clips making their way across the bottom here, but generally you can just give this a little tug straight forward to break it free. There it is, friend. A quick inspection and we'll set this aside. Now it's time to install our front upper grille. Before we do so, we'll have a look along the back side. You're going to find that you have several locking tabs that make their way along the bottom. Those tabs do fit into the bumper cover here. We'll carefully start lining everything up and press it into position. Listen for a click down along the bottom. Up across the top, you will have 6 push clips making their way all the way across. Get this last one in here. Double check to make sure it's completely secured in place. Okay friend, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, you want to go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.